All right, time for another look at the forecast. Bringing back Robert here. So, all right, we just thawed out a little bit, still kind of gloomy today, and then now what, round two? What are we looking at here?
Yeah, more wintry weather as we get toward next week, unfortunately. And the bad news is it's not just going to be snow, but freezing rain and sleet.
That's not fun.
Yeah, we don't like that. We like the pretty snow, not the horrible ice that could be coming next week. But I don't think we're talking about a major crippling ice storm, but any amount of ice on the roads just creates havoc. So even a glaze creates problems. And that's what we're worried about as we get into next week. You can see in Fayetteville today, 54 degrees, 5 degrees above your average, which is 49 for this time of the year. Cold morning in 1963, waking up 1 degree. Fort Smith, things are nice and quiet. A couple of cars on I-540 there. Where we got the 59 on this January 28th, which will go down as a 6 degrees above average. There's the front, about to cross through Joplin. So it's about 50 miles away or so, give or take. Look at the temperatures behind it, though. You drop nearly in half by the time you get to Kansas City, and about the same thing as you get toward Omaha. A huge drop in temperatures. Now, this cold Canadian air, as it's sinking south, is moderating, but it'll still be cold. We're going to have a below-average week for the most part out there across the area. Temperatures right now, upper 40s, still some lower 50s, and about the same thing in the River Valley. Temperatures are pretty consistent across the entire area. There's a look at that front making its trek toward the area as we speak. Rain out ahead of it, but most of it is to our east right now. And that front will continue to cross in the overnight hours. Maybe a couple of sprinkles as that front crosses. Maybe also a couple of wet snowflakes tomorrow morning, a couple of sleet pellets. Really no big deal. I think the models, I'm not buying any of this precipitation tomorrow night. This is new model data that we're seeing, but we'll see. Definitely a better chance for precipitation as we get toward Monday evening and into Tuesday, and that could be of the frozen variety. We're thinking of a good chance at a wintry mix with any precipitation that rolls in Monday through Wednesday. Wintry mix, primarily in the aqua color here, sleet and snow. All of this could be just straight freezing rain, maybe a little bit of sleet mixed in. Plain rain the further south you get. This could all shift north or south as we get more data in, but definitely some problems for travel. If you're headed out this week, keep that in mind. 30s and 40s tonight, a wide spread in temperatures because of that cold front. And then tomorrow, our highs again, big spread, 34 in Bella Vista, but 54 in Paris, 20-degree difference across the area because of that cold air taking its time to get into the River Valley. You can see slick spots certainly possible Monday night into Tuesday and into Wednesday as of right now. Probably pull the trigger on some impact days there by tomorrow. We'll see. These events, these freezing rain, sleet, ice events are very, very hard to pinpoint the forecast outside of 24 hours out. So you're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates to the forecast because it'll be an interesting one this upcoming week. Stay with us. Meredith Mulkey, she's staying up late with us. She's got your hog highlights after the break.